So, I am now filming in my new phone, which you saw kung ano yung itsura niya and stuff kung nakita ko siya. Well, dapat nag-film ako around a week ago, but I didn't cause I'm so tamad. And I have a lot of things to do din na kailangan ko unahin. So, there's that. And, ayun. Right now, kaya ako nag-film sa is because I only have inner lighting. My light here in my room is good. I have sunlight colored ilaw. Tapos, this is indoors. Medyo madilim dito. But, looking at the front cam that I'm using right now, it looks well lit. You can still see me and malinaw pa siya. I am filming dito sa front cam ko in 4K, I think 1080 or 4K 60 frames per second, which is good na rin for an iPhone. And ayun, maganda yung basta nakakaganda yung camera na to, sa totoo lang. Anyway, yung mic nito, as you can hear, is very clear kaysa sa mga yung ibang mic ng ibang iPhone. Tapos I don't know if it cancels noise, pero sabi nila oo. Tapos this phone has surround sound, so ibig sabihin mas improved yung stereo niya dito sa baba. Don't worry kung hindi tumutugtog yung left na parang speaker pod niya, because that is supposed to be the mic, and parang ayun, meron siyang parang detector. Hindi talaga dapat siya tumutunog. Tapos yung isa lang yung speaker mo, the left speaker is here dito sa may pag nagko-calls kayo, yung ito right above the camera. And then there's another one at the back of the camera. Meron siyang may speaker din siya. I'm sorry kung sobrang baba ng camera. Ayun. So, yes. This is testing ng front cam. Yep. Ito na ngayon. So, this is how it looks like sa back camera. I'm using dito mirror because I can't see you. Wala akong you can also switch it on a wide angle, which I'll show you right now. This is the wide angle version, which is very creepy and kitang-kita mo yung kabuuhan. But there is parang nabawasan yung quality ng camera here, because I don't know kung ilang MP yung camera ng wide angle lens nila, but ayun, nabawasan siya, and then nag-iba yung color nung mismong video. So, better yung camera quality ng normal camera rather than yung wide cam, but still maganda pa rin siya. Maganda siya sa parang outside mga sa landscape. Ibang klase din yung nito, no? Yung pansin nyo, ina-adjust yung camera kasi habang ina-adjust ko siya or magulo ako, ano pa rin siya, steady pa din siya. I can move here and there. Pero maayos pa din yung camera. Back cam to. This is the back cam. So, ayun guys. We've already tested na yung yung quality ng camera on the front, on the back, the mic test. Hindi ko nga alam maipakita sa inyo yung stereo test nito kasi I don't have another phone to film how this phone performs pag nanonood ako ng movies, but trust my word na maganda siya. So far, we sa family namin kasi we've been getting phones on a postpaid plan sa Globe since 2012 or 2011. So, it has been over 8 years since we've been with Globe. So, I got this phone as a postpaid plan for 1,799, and if you have a credit card and paid yung down payment niya, which is 24,000, if you pay it to credit card, pwede mo siyang bayaran ng installments for 24 months. So, that sa kabuuhan ng pagkuha mo ng cellphone mo, you just have to pay 2,800. Sobra pa yan kasi 1,799 yung plan mo, and then yung 1,000 para sa phone for dun sa credit card. So, I only have to pay 2,799 or 2,800, which is very affordable for this kind of phone kasi mahal to pag pinili mo ng buo. Pero mas mahal pa din yung X series. For some reason na hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit mas mahal pa din yung X series kaysa dito sa 11. But, yung 11 Pro, mas mahal pa din siya dun sa X series. Eh, syempre, yun yung mukhang alien na cellphone. Yung tatlo yung camera. And then, this phone, yung iPhone 11, has many different colors. I'll show you here. Dapat na pinapakuha sa akin yung green, but lahat sila pastel, and I don't like yung girly stuff na, so I picked black. I was supposed to get yung iPhone 7 Plus lang na dual camera, but I realized na parang mas worth it na kumuha ng mas better phone since I'll be making more vlogs yun pag sinipag and stuff. I'll be making more videos using this, and better pa yung quality kasi maganda yung stabilization, yung mic, yung quality, yun, ang ganda. Maganda tong phone na to. So far, ito yung pinaka maayos-ayos na camera. Please comment down below if you have any more tech stuff that you want to try, or yun. Mag-comment na lang kayo or mag-like kayo ng video ko or anything. Just do it. So, tune in for my next video. Maganda na yung quality. And we can do a lot of things. Expect more videos. So that's all. Peace. Bye.